In 2025, ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for entrepreneurs aiming for big profits fast. Launch and sell high-ticket digital products. ChatGPT helps streamline product creation. Identify a profitable niche with ChatGPT's analysis and develop high-value products like courses. Automate sales and marketing with funnels and campaigns to maximize reach. Maximize your affiliate marketing efforts with ChatGPT. Create content that converts. Find profitable affiliate programs and generate blog posts to highlight products. Optimize your content with SEO and use paid ads to drive traffic. Offer premium services like copywriting using ChatGPT to streamline delivery. Automate email campaigns and client engagement for a scalable business. Create and monetize a niche blog with ChatGPT's content generation capabilities. Discover trending topics and write high-quality content to rank your blog. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Leverage YouTube by creating video scripts and optimizing for views. Choose profitable niches and create engaging video content. Monetize through ads and sponsored videos to generate income. Scale with automated marketing and AI tools offered by ChatGPT. Set up sequences for emails, social media, and customer service. Making $200 in just 2 months is bold, but with ChatGPT, it's possible.